Okay, I'm continuing with the next video. Here this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay, this is the origin. Both are intersecting. So we will be putting the numbers. So where the origin is there, that 0 is there. 0 will be there. Right side of the 0 on x-axis, horizontal axis, positive numbers will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In the same way, left side we will be having -1, -2, -3, -4, that negative number. Positive side will be representing by x and negative side will be representing by x dash. In the same way, above the x-axis, vertical axis, always will be y. So here, okay, now 0, above the x-axis, upper side of the y-axis, positive numbers will be there. Okay, lower side of the y-axis, negative numbers will be there. -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Okay, now this is known as the Cartesian coordinate plane. This I will be showing you in the graph also. Okay, now this plane is divided into these both the axes. They will be dividing the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. Okay, right side. Okay, this will be first quadrant. We have to start from the right side and above the x-axis. This is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant and this is the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Got it? Same I will be explaining you on the graph paper. Okay, now this is the graph paper. You have to divide it into 2 parts. This is the vertical axis, y-axis, and this is the horizontal axis, x-axis. Got it? So 1 to 1 centimeter already you must have done. This is equal to graphs. This is equal to 1. 1 centimeter is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is x-axis. Okay, positive side and negative side. The same way y-axis, positive side and negative side. So x-axis, right side we are taking the positive numbers. Negative, say left side we are taking negative. Y-axis above, positive numbers. So this place where they both are intersecting, this is the origin. At this point now, if we have to represent a point, let us see. We have to, I told you to locate, that is why I gave you in the introduction. To locate a point, we need, to locate any point, we need 2 points. 2 things are necessary. I gave you example of your house. Okay, here also on this coordinate plane, I have to represent this point. 2 things I need. First is 1 and 2. So always first number will be representing the first number. If you take that, will be representing your x. 1, 2 means this first point will be representing the x value and second point will be representing the y value. So this we have to represent on the graph plate. कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे अभी फर्स्ट पॉइंट का आपको ये दे आर कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिस पॉइंट्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेट्स एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट वाई कोऑर्डिनेट फर्स्ट विल बी एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट सेकेंड विल बी वाई कोऑर्डिनेट कभी भी फर्स्ट को एक्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए लेते हैं सेकेंड को वाई को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए ओके दिस वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट ऑन द ग्राफ पेपर दीज आर कॉल्ड वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग coordinates. 1 and 2 are the coordinates. 1 is x coordinate and 2 is y coordinate. कैसे represent करें? Now this point I want to represent on the first x. Now I told you this is the first quadrant. Now it is divided into 4. This is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant and this is the third quadrant and this is the fourth quadrant. Got it? X axis above. Okay, y-axis right side, first quadrant. X-axis above, y-axis left side second quadrant, x-axis below and y-axis left side third quadrant, x-axis below and y-axis right side fourth quadrant. Now we have to represent this 1 and 2 on the plane. So what is x? First I told you this is x value, this is second value. So x, this is x axis, we have to come to the 1 point, 1 number. Okay, x axis 1. What is y axis? Y is equal to 2. So y axis 2. So x axis 1, go upside here and look at where is the, so this is your point 1 and 2. That is why in the introduction I gave you 2 points are needed. You take scalar and join like this. Okay, next point. X axis Q point. This is the P point and this is the Q point. Minus 1 and 2. X value is minus 1, Y value is 2. So now you know, left side minus values are there. X is equal to minus 1 and 2. This is the Q point we have to represent. First one minus 1 चाहिए हमको. कहाँ रहती है minus 1? Left side रहती है. So pick up minus 1. Y क्या है? 2. मगर positive 2. So positive 2 is here. Okay. This is x minus 1 and y 2. Okay. This is minus 1. Here you have to write minus 1 and 2. What is this point? Q point. Third one, x r is equal to minus 3 minus 3. X also minus 3, y also minus 3. So now minus values where they will be here. X side, left side. So come to minus 3. Okay. X minus 3 mil gaye. What is y? Y also minus 3. X minus 3 and y minus 3. So this is your R point minus 3 and minus 3. Now you join. You take scale and join. Okay. This is minus 3 and 9. And fourth point is 1 and minus 2. X पॉजिटिव है, y नेगेटिव है. तो x पॉजिटिव मतलब हम लोग कहाँ आएंगे? राइट. x इज इक्वल टू 1. y कितना है? माइनस 2. तो y माइनस कहाँ रहती है? बिलो y का. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट. व्हाट इज दैट? x इज इक्वल टू 1, y इज इक्वल टू minus 2. Okay, we will be joining this. Okay, this is the roughly I am explaining. Again I will send properly in the next video. Thank you.